We started our journey with the dancing birds, those feathered virtuosos shaking their tail feathers like there's no tomorrow. Their rhythm and coordination left us in awe and brimming with laughter. Then we swung over to the pranking pros of the jungle, the mischievous monkeys, proving that humor can indeed be a wild ride. Their playful antics and knack for teasing were nothing short of a laugh riot. Next, we tiptoed into the world of the clever cats. Sophisticated yet silly, these felines showed us that even the most mundane objects can spark hilarious reactions and situations. Who would have thought a cucumber could be so entertaining? Finally, we ended our journey with the goofy and lovable dogs, our loyal companions who never fail to bring a smile to our faces. From their comical attempts to act like humans to their funny costumes, these pooches are the true comedians of the animal kingdom. So there you go. We've seen that laughter truly knows no bounds, not even species. These funny animals remind us to find joy and humor in the little things. Until next time, keep those smiles wide and laughter loud. Thank you for joining us on this hilarious adventure.